So much for coming and joining us tonight at the Boiler Bash. It's been a fantastic evening. Mishaps aside, we've had a great time, and we hope you've all had a great time too. We hope you've taken the time to get inoculated. We hope you've taken the time to join the Junior League Watch, to check out our archives and all of our equipment. And of course, we hope that you've learned a little bit about domesticating zombies. And I hope each and every one of you is interested now in having a zombie in your home. To finish things off tonight, we have a very special treat. This is great. Now you've seen our domesticated zombies, Zed and Alice. You've seen them in action. But tonight we have, just to show the contrast, we have a wild, untamed, feral zombie. It's coming through the crowd now, so watch your fingers. This is not a domesticated zombie. This is not safe. Now we've got it locked up. Cracking his spots is shocking him to wrangle him. Everybody watch your hands. Keep your hands and arms away from the zombie at all times. Bring him into the light. Bring him into the light here. Look how grotesque this creature is. If this doesn't show you why we need to domesticate zombies, I don't know what will. So, on one hand, our domesticated zombie. The other hand, a hand which I'd like to keep, I'll tell you. A feral, wild beast. Don't let any of that get on you. You might be infected. Have you been inoculated? Have you all been inoculated? Okay. So we're going to show you. We're going to show you living, well, almost living proof, undead proof, that domesticating a zombie is better than a feral zombie. So, to start things off, I mean, look at Zed here. Give it up for Zed. Now you'll notice that because we use our ectoplasm sedative, and we feed him with the enriched pig's blood, for a corpse, he's not really all that rotten. You know, he's got a little bit of decay, but it's nothing bad. You know, no limbs are falling off or anything like that. But Professor,
as you can all see, this guy is falling apart. You don't want him on your carpets, and you don't want him near your drapes.
Absolutely not. Oh God. Oh, I can't even look at this. So next, we've noticed that our domesticated zombies still retain a lot of their motor skills, whereas other zombies are uncoordinated. So just watch this. Just watch this. Raise your left foot. Look at that, ladies and gentlemen. He raises his left foot. Good enough. Those are some motor skills right there.
Zombie, raise your left foot. That's not even a foot.
Totally unresponsive, total lack of coordination, lack of motor skills. Stay with us, Zed. Now next I'm going to show you, even though he's a zombie, he still recognizes his own name. If that doesn't make for a great domesticated zombie, I don't know what does. Just watch this, watch this. Hey Zed. And just like that, he responds. Let's try it with the other one.
Hey, Ted, Fred, George, Harry, zombie! Anything. No, as you can see, he doesn't respond to pretty much anything.
No name recognition whatsoever. Alright, so next, we're going to test these zombies, we're going to test their brain function. Okay? So, we've got a brain here. We're going to test how they function with it. Alright, as you can see, Zed is only mildly curious about this brain, which we all know is a zombie's favorite food. Okay, Professor?
Right then, we'll see what happens when we offer a brain to this zombie. Oh! It's okay, ladies and gentlemen, no worries. Professor Yeager has the zombie completely under control. Let's hear it for Rose. Good job. Good job. Thank you. We're gonna have to break out the big arms and take care of this wild zombie for you. All right. All right. And now, as Baron and Professor Yeager are going to have to take care of the zombie and unfortunately dismember it. Whoa! Look out, flying body parts. Oh! Now that sort of thing. That's okay. He doesn't need that anymore. There's a foot. Alright. Baron and Professor have saved you all from the wild zombie. Alright, let's hear it for them. Do I have the rest of the league in the audience, please? Whoa. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes our stage portion of the evening. Lee, can you come on up here, please? Ladies and gentlemen, we are the League of S.T.E.A.M. That is supernatural and troublesome ectoplasmic apparitional management. Gentlemen, has the zombie been fully dispatched? All right.
Messy business!
What happened to you? Baron, you've got red on you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you again for your support this evening and for coming on by to see us. We are the League of S.T.E.A.M. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, remember, do not inoculate and drive. We want everyone to be sober. There's still plenty of power in these eels. I can shock you the rest of the night. I know some of you want that. You did. Thank you, Lee. And thank you. Good night.